I, Kwamachi Bitrus, Chairman of the Governorship Primary Election Committee, hereby certify that I'm the returning officer for the Rivers State Governorship Primary Election held on this day, 21st day of May 2026. The name of the aspirant, which is the sole aspirant, Chinda Ogundu Kingsley. He scored a total number of votes 268, 497, 268, 497. Number of votes 268, 497. Chinda Ogundu Kingsley, having satisfied the requirements of APC Constitution and guidelines and scored the highest number of votes, is hereby declared winner of the primary election and is in turn elected as the party governorship candidate for Rivers State, dated this 21st day of May 2026.
Our own very dependable and trusted ally, Prof.Mgbeke Chinda, has emerged as our governorship candidate for the forthcoming election. I am indeed very happy that today has come.
No, the governor is a member of our party. I think that the decision he took is in the larger interest of the state, for us to form a more cohesive party and then leadership to drive development in our state. So it's a welcome development. We have a new APC. You know, it was not like in those days. I'm a foundation member of APC and I understand better. So I can assure you that today every member of APC that is interested in the progress and the victory of this party are all part of what we have done. They're all totally in sync with us. So APC has been recalibrated in Rivers State. We said we are putting in a new leadership that will midwife inclusiveness, that will midwife oneness, that will pursue growth in Rivers State. That is what you have seen. What you have seen, the emergence of Right Honorable Kingsley Chinda, is the fact that APC has been reorganized to face the greater challenges of development in Rivers State. And we are very excited, we're elated to see that we have a candidate, a qualitative candidate that will support the delivery of goods and services in Rivers State that the greater number of Rivers people earnestly yearn for.
We don't have anything to do with upland or river. In Rivers State, we have one family. And we are going for the best candidate that can turn things around in Rivers State. As a matter of fact, you can see even those of them who have indicated interest to contest this election, having seen the candidacy of Mgbeke Chinda, nobody told them to give way for the better candidate. I want to assure you, we are not only marketing, we are marketing a better candidate. Is a sellable candidate any day, anytime. And we're indeed very grateful to God Almighty. No power that be except to them by God. If it wasn't the will of God, could have emerged.